You want us to
activation.
Do you want us to do a boxing spray?
You guys aren't swimming, are you?
I'm swimming.
Just 2 towels then?
Let's take a trip. Yo, chill out, man. Look at this. Oh shoot, dude, I'm literally your cameraman right now. It's like a
Here for swimming stuff. What are these aisles? What is that?
What is this?
what?
What is that? Oh,
it's time to leave.
It's the time to leave.
there was nothing here.
Get that drug general sign up in there.
They didn't have what I wanted.
Oh yeah.
Drug General has nothing. Do not go there for your essentials.
Holiday now. What the freak is that?
Oh boy.
Did that come off the
Probably
car?
came off the car, yeah. It's a
Oh,
rusty
shoot.
one though. It's not good.
Oh shoot.
I haven't been here in years.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot.
We're about to find out. They didn't lie, but I don't think that's what we want. Those are fuzzy Crocs. Oh, good to have it.
Oh shoot.
Do you have it?
Not correct.
That might keep it on you.
Oh yeah, that's gonna keep it on.
Yeah, for Waterfall.
Real good. Idiot.
Ollie has one more.
Huh? Oh shoot, let me get a backup angle on this one.
You're not allowed to be here.
What?
What is going on right now, man?
You're not allowed to be here. Wait, right here.
He isn't no dang worker, man. Dude, what the frick is going on over here, man? Oh yeah, we're out of here, man. Oh yeah, we're out of here, man. Now we're getting towels. Oh yeah, we're getting towels now. Show me which one you're getting. Oh, that's an idiot one,
It's a
man.
big one. I'm just trying to look for a big one.
Oh, that's a good find. Good find.
Good find.
Ooh, show me that again. Ooh, very good, very good. Oh yeah, very good, very good.
That is a Porsche 911 GTR
Are you joking?
3 RS.
Correct. That's the one you've been looking for forever. Aldi's a good place.
Real good. We have made it to the waterfall. We just have to walk a little bit because there was no room. It's a big pack today. Not good.
I don't know how they're gonna. That is crooked, man. That's real crooked. Beautiful car though. Very good. Very good.
You might have been just going across though.
Look at that crazy tower. Very high tower. This Tung Tung log cut up.
Holy.
Tung Tung log cut up. We entered. Tung Tung Tung.
My face above the water. My feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave.
Machine falls.
I'm slowly drifting, and it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream. Against the wave, wave after wave, wave after wave, I'm slowly drifting. My face above the water. My feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon.
Ooh, look at all that.
You are not around. Slowly
You got a straggler.
Wave after wave, wave after wave, I'm slowly drifting away. And it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream, pulling against the.
We made it. We made it. Look at this beautifulness, man. Holy crap. And then
My face above the water. My feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon at time. You are not around, slowly drifting away. Wave after wave, wave after wave, slowly drifting. And it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream, pulling against the wave. Wave after wave, wave after wave, slowly drifting.
look where we are, man.
My face above the water. My feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like.
Dude, that looks so
I can
crazy.
see the sands on the horizon.
We're in a cave right now, bro.
You are not around, slowly drifting away. Wave after wave, wave after wave.
Oh,
slowly
dude, you
drifting.
can. You can even see where the water's coming from, way up there.
And it feels like
That's where the other cave is, right there.
pulling against the
No,
stream,
focus on the cave.
pulling
Right
against
there.
the-
Wait, I just thought about it. I can just put an arrow on the screen. Man, I forgot I'm good at editing, bro. Alright. Yeah. Alright, if you look, there's a cave right there. And then, if you look up, that's where the water's coming from. And there's a random human girl up there, man. These dang C-block coal miners down here.
Yeah, we're gonna find crystal. Coal mine.
Crystal right there. I know you're in there. You know what? Frick your bullcrap.
Get out of my territory.
Alright, we're getting down now. Say goodbye to this cave, man. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. No, you gotta turn around and say goodbye to him.
You laughing? Look at that spider.
Where?
Running those arms. Look, here's that apple.
What spider?
There's a swimming pool.
Where?
On the.
Oh.
You see
I'm
him?
telling you right now.
Look at that spider right there. See him?
Great.
Ooh, look at him.
That's like an octopus spider, man.
I know. He looks weird.
That's a crazy spider, man.
That was a huge spider.
Alright, we're going, man. Tell everybody what you're thinking. We made it.
I'm actually dying.
Oh, we gotta get the lag out the camera.
You look on the side.
Wait, do you hear that? Clanker. That is a clanker. Gosh dang clanker. For me.
I mean, yes.
Gosh dang clanker right there. Gosh dang clanker right there. Gosh dang clanker right there. What do you think about that car right there?
That's a clanker, and he needed to get out of my town.
them because he's soaked.
Is not a clanker.
That's a good car. That's what everybody needs right there. Not a clanker. That is a real car. Yep. Yep. We made it, man. What do you got to say?
I'm literally completely done.
What do you got to say?
Electric cars out of my country.
Clanker.
Yep.
We made it. Tune back to the next thing. Tune.